Hi, this is Dan McKinnon, and I'm going to be showing off my final project for CS 521, Information Structures in Python. I will assume that you've already taken a look at my overview page, which gives information about the project as a whole, and also taken a look at the code files that are associated with this project. So we're just going to jump right in. In Visual Studio Code, I'm going to run my application. I run that by calling the main class, and it says, do you have data to import? I'm going to say yes. When I say yes, the main menu comes up and it says, what type of data would you like to import? Currently, right now, there's only one type of data that's available. We're going to make that choice, choosing number one. When we say number one, it's going to ask for what the source file is of interest. I'm going to choose a file that is good. This is CSV data, which has 29 fields and around 1,500 records or so. I hit that, and it says that 1,535 rows of data have been processed, and a couple of bits of information about the file show up on the screen. If you chose a different kind of file to import, because that's what the intent would be in the future to build off of this project, different kinds of metadata, sorry, not metadata, different kinds of informational data would come up on the screen afterwards, which would be tailored however the programmer wants to have it work. After that basic data information comes up on the screen and this data is stored, it says, do you want to see a representation of the data stored in the class? I'm going to say yes. And then we do see that data that's embedded in the object, and that comes up on the screen. Do you have more data to import? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to pick choice 1 again. Actually, no, I'm going to pick choice 7, a choice that doesn't exist, and it tells the user that's not a valid menu choice. We're going to try this again. We're going to say option 1, name of the file to import. We're going to say cat, and then it says file not found. So there is basic error checking to make sure that you do pick menu choices that are allowed, and also file names that are right. If there's not, the user will find out. Do you have more data to import? We're going to say no, and it says exiting importer, have a great day. I'm next quickly going to take a look at some of the unit tests that are available. I have 7 tests that are available, and that can be seen in the source file that's as part of the project. And I've set it up so that 3 of the tests fail. In the case here, for the last unit test, the number should be 32. You put in 55 and it doesn't equal correctly. For the first unit test, I pick a state of QZ month 17, year 3001. All those values obviously are not going to be correct, and we get that failure as well. More unit tests could be added in the future, but that's currently what's in place right now, which shows off the functionality of some of the methods in the class. And I think that's about it. I hope you enjoy watching this video and my project.